Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about: how to properly upload and optimize your YouTube videos to get more views, more subscribers, and maybe even go viral. It's not just about hitting the upload button, there's a science to it, and I'm going to walk you through my exact, step-by-step process. Let's get started. So, you've just finished editing your masterpiece. The first step isn't YouTube, it's your own computer. Find that video file. Before you even think about uploading, you need to rename it. Don't leave it as Final Cut V4 or some random string of numbers. Rename the file using your main target keyword. For example, if your video is about making vegan lasagna, name the file Vegan Lasagna Recipe, MP4. This gives YouTube's algorithm an immediate clue about your video's content before it even processes it. It's a small step, but it's the foundation of good SEO. Now, let's head over to YouTube Studio. Click that Create button and select Upload Videos. While your newly renamed video is uploading, we're going to get to work on the optimization. This is where the magic really happens. The first and most crucial element is your title. Your title needs to do two things: appeal to humans and appeal to the YouTube algorithm. You want something that's searchable but also creates curiosity. Instead of just Vegan Lasagna Recipe, try something like the easiest vegan lasagna you'll ever make, or my secret ingredient for the best vegan lasagna. See the difference? One is searchable, the other is clickable. You want to blend both. A great strategy is to use your main keyword at the beginning and then add a compelling hook. Next up, the description box. This is prime real estate, and so many creators waste it. The first 1 to 2 sentences are the most important because they appear in search results. You need to hook the viewer right away and naturally include your main keywords. Describe what the video is about and what value the viewer will get from watching it. After that initial hook, you can expand. Write a few detailed paragraphs about your video. Think of it like a mini blog post. What problems are you solving? What can people expect to learn? Use related keywords and synonyms. Don't just stuff keywords. Write naturally for a human reader. Below that, add links to your social media, relevant products, or other videos. And finally, add a few relevant hashtags at the very bottom of the description. Now for thumbnails. I cannot stress this enough: your thumbnail is arguably more important than your title. It's the first thing people see. A great thumbnail makes people stop scrolling. Use high quality, bright, and clear images. Faces with expressive emotions work incredibly well. Use bold, easy to read text, but keep it minimal, just 3 to 5 words. Make sure the text contrasts with the background. Look at what's popular in your niche. What do the top performing thumbnails look like? Don't copy them, but learn from their style, color schemes, and composition. Your thumbnail should create a story or a question that can only be answered by watching the video. Let's talk about tags. A lot of people say tags are dead, but that's not entirely true. They still help YouTube understand the context of your video. Especially if your channel is new, your first tag should always be your exact main keyword. Then, add variations of that keyword and other long-tailed keywords that people might search for. Think like a viewer. What would you type into the search bar to find this video? Use tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic to find relevant, high-traffic tags. Include a mix of broad tags and specific tags to cover all your bases. Also, add your channel name as a tag to help your videos get recommended next to each other. Okay, let's move on to some of the other settings on the upload page. Playlists are incredibly powerful for increasing watch time. If you don't have a playlist that fits your new video, create one. When someone watches a video in a playlist, the next video in that list automatically plays. This is a fantastic way to guide viewers to more of your content and keep them on your channel longer. Always add your video to at least one relevant playlist. Next, you'll see the option for adding an end screen and cards. Do not skip this. An end screen appears in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video and allows you to promote other videos, playlists, or your subscribe button. This is your final call to action. Always feature a video that is highly related to the one they just watched. Cards are clickable pop-ups that you can place throughout your video. Use them strategically to link to another video or a poll when you mention something relevant. For instance, if you mention a previous recipe, a card can pop up linking directly to that video. Don't overdo it, though 1 or 2 cards per video is plenty. Before you hit publish, there's one more critical step: subtitles and closed captions. YouTube automatically transcribes your video, but it often makes mistakes. Uploading your own accurate cert file has the huge benefits. First, It makes your content accessible to a wider audience, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing, and people watching with the sound off. Second, search engines can crawl this text file, which gives your video another SEO boost. You're giving the algorithm a perfect transcript of your content, full of your keywords. You can type it out yourself or use an affordable transcription service. Finally, the visibility setting. You have 3 main options: private, unlisted, and public. I recommend setting your video to unlisted first. This allows you to share the link with friends or a small group for feedback. It also gives YouTube system time to fully process the video in HD and check for any issues. You can check how the video looks, double check your title and description, and make sure your custom thumbnail is showing correctly. Once you're confident everything is perfect, you can schedule it or change the visibility to public and hit that publish button. Scheduling is great for consistency. Figure out when your audience is most active and schedule your videos to go live at that optimal time. And that's it. That is the comprehensive guide to uploading and optimizing your YouTube videos for success. It might seem like a lot of work, but putting in this effort on the front end will pay off massively in the long run with more views, higher engagement, and a growing community of subscribers. It's about being intentional with every single step of the process. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips to help you grow your channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what topic you'd like me to cover next. I'll see you in the next one.